Here is how to upload your logo to a Canva design. So first of all, you need to go ahead and open a design. Open your existing design in Canva, and you can either choose a recent design or create a new one as well. Now upload your logo. Go to the upload section and locate your logo on your computer. Tap on upload files and find your uploaded logo in the images section of the uploads tab and drag the logo to your project. Resize and position the logo. You can drag its corners and place it where you want it on your design. Now you can adjust the layering as well. If needed, you can send the logo backward or forward in layers. To do this, you can select the logo, right-click on it, and then tap on Layer. And you can either select Bring Forward, Bring to Front, Backward, Back, or even Show Layers. And if you want to remove the background of the logo, you can use the BG Remover feature of Canva. But for that, you need to have Canva Pro. Or you can also use any other websites like BG Remover, remove the background, and paste your logo in your project. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.